Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to use TensorArt, an AI image generator, a step-by-step guide. So, I will walk you through some of the key features of TensorArt AI. Before we begin, if you are into the latest AI tools and want to learn how to use them effectively, this channel is your go-to channel. We share updates and user-friendly videos. Please hit the subscribe button to support us. Now, let us start. First, let's start with searching for models. But if you prefer a more comfortable browsing experience on the go, simply look to the top right corner of the screen and click to download the TensorArt mobile app. TensorArt is also available in multiple languages, and they are planning to add even more language options in the future. Click on the globe icon to explore language options. To check your credit rewards and see who's liking your post, click on the profile icon and bell icon. If you are an artist looking to share your creations, click on Host My Model. You will have the option to create a project by uploading it from your computer or importing it from CVTI. After becoming a pro member, your model can only be viewed and used by yourself. Click on the settings to adjust your time zone. Your daily energy credits of 100 will be deposited at 5 a.m. according to your set time zone. When you become a pro member, you will receive 200 credits every day. Now, let's get back to the homepage, where you can browse through various models. I recommend trying out the Try Now section, which highlights models known for their stability and quality in generating images. The SDXL models are the latest versions that produce even more stunning and crisp images. TensorArt boasts a wide range of SDXL models, many of which are exclusive and can be found under the Exclusive tab. You can sort models based on your interest and filter them by trending, newest, or most ran models. You can also use filters on the right side to narrow down your choices. Now that you are well acquainted with TensorArt tools, let us dive into crafting an image. Choose a model that piques your interest and hit the Run button. Think of your chosen basic model as the cake base. It sets the foundation for your image's style. Want to tweak your image further? Click on Add LoRa and add Control Net to do just that. LoRa gives your image its primary character. With Control Net, you have the reins. Next, select the VAE, which acts like a filter for your image. Now, it is time to play with the new prompt. Think of it as deciding the patterns and designs on your cake icing. Move on to the negative prompt. This is your image safety net, ensuring it avoids unwanted features. You can even borrow a negative prompt crafted just for you by TensorArt. Set the image aspect ratio and sampling method to choose the balance between speed and quality. A higher sampling step makes your prompt shine brighter. Setting the CFG scale around 7 usually hits the sweet spot between image and prompt harmony. Once you have made your selections, click Generate and behold your creation. And your creations will be saved into workspace for a certain period. Not fully satisfied with your image? No worries. TensorArt offers After Detailer fix for specific enhancements like faces or hands. Once you have crafted a satisfying image, you can then click on the download option. Furthermore, I am eagerly anticipating your feedback. Are you as amazed as I am by how pictures turns out? Would you consider giving this platform a shot? Please feel free to let me know your opinions and share your experiences in the comments below. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and again, don't forget to please subscribe to our channel, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.